In Cloud Foundation, cloud capacity is provided by adding physical servers to the SDDC Manager inventory through a process called host commissioning. Servers that have been added to the inventory represent a pool of available capacity, commonly referred to as a free pool. We will add 12 hosts to the Cloud Foundation inventory. All 12 hosts are configured with vSAN storage and will be assigned to a network pool named prod pool. Before we add the host, we first need to create a network pool named prod pool. Navigating to network settings, we see the default management pool that was created during bringup. To create a new network pool, click Create Network Pool. Give it a name, prod pool in this example, and specify the types of networks the pool will be used for, in this case vSAN and vMotion. Then provide the VLAN, MTU, and IP subnet details, followed by the range of IP addresses to be used by the SDDC Manager. Repeat this for both the vSAN and vMotion networks. With the network pool created, we are ready to commission the host. Navigating to host, we again see that there are 4 hosts currently assigned to the management domain. Note that there are currently no unassigned hosts. To add new host, click Commission Host. There are a number of prerequisites that need to be met before adding hosts to the inventory. These include things like installing ESXi, configuring the vSphere standard switch, deleting any pre-existing disk partitions, and configuring DNS. Click Select All to confirm that the prerequisites have been met, and click Proceed. You can add hosts individually or in bulk. When adding individual hosts, you simply provide the fully qualified host name, the type of principal storage it will use, the network pool it will be assigned to, and the root user credentials. You can also add hosts in bulk. When adding hosts in bulk, you need to provide the same information but in a JSON file that will be imported. In this demo, we will be adding 12 hosts to the inventory. As such, we will do a bulk import. Select Import, browse to select the JSON file, and click Upload. We see that the 12 hosts have been imported. Let's take a quick look at the JSON file that was used to import these hosts. Here we see the details for the 12 hosts along with the pertinent information listed in a JSON format. With the host imported, the next step is to validate them. The host validation will connect to each host and attempt to verify that the prerequisites have been met. Here we see that the hosts have all validated successfully. At the review screen, we review the list of hosts to be commissioned, and when ready to add them, simply click Commission. The SDDC Manager invokes a workflow to commission the host. Expanding the workflow, we see the list of subtasks. We can use this view to monitor the workflow as it runs. In the event there are any errors, we can also use this view to see the error details. Here we see the workflow has completed. Returning to the host view, we now see the 12 hosts added to our inventory. These hosts represent a pool of capacity that is available for creating workload domains and clusters in our Cloud Foundation private cloud. To learn more about VMware Cloud Foundation, visit the Cloud Foundation Resource Center at core.vmware.com.